So today we have the 4 most popular and best Polymarket copy trading bots, and we're doing a full-on comparison and speed test. Because if you're copy trading on Polymarket, speed is literally the difference between profits and just getting filled at a garbage price. So a slow bot doesn't just cost you time, it costs you a lot of money every single trade. So I have essentially set up 4 of the most popular copy trading bots to copy my own account. I will go ahead and make some trades live on video right now, and we'll see which ones gets filled first. So we have PolyCop, we have Okbet, we have TradeFox, as well as PolyGun. Now here is my Polymarket account. On the right we have all of the wallets, Okbet, TradeFox, PolyGun and PolyCop, so that we can easily see which is which. And I've made sure to set up every single copy trading task the same on all the different bots. We are copying my own wallet for 100%. There's no limit on the slippage, on the max buys, etc. So that this test is completely fair. I've made sure that every account has enough funds, $43 in Okbet, $900 in PolyCop, $45 in PolyGun, and also a couple hundred in TradeFox, which is more than we have on my Polymarket account, so that should be plenty for every single bot. Now PolyCop did recently come out and say that they have successfully achieved 0 block and 0 second latency execution for their copy trading on Polymarket, which means you get executed in the same block as the person you are copying and get in at the same exact price. So if that's true, that's obviously a huge achievement. So I am very curious to put this to the test and see how PolyCop performs in this test, but I will leave the link to all of these bots down below if you want to check them out. But the first thing that we're gonna do is find a market which has some volume but not too much volume, so that we can easily track our trades. For example, this one, when will Claude 5 be released? Let's bet on February 6th. Let's put $10 on yes. We can win up to $130. Let's approve the transaction, and then we're gonna scroll down to activity and see what happens. So there we go, this is my original purchase, and within a second this wallet 0x6, which is PolyCop, basically copied the trade. Then comes 0x8, which is Okbet. 5 seconds after, and around 9 seconds after, came XB, which is TradeFox. PolyGun has not shown up yet, I believe. This is obviously a very new and low liquidity market, but you can very clearly see the difference of the entry price and why speed is so important. PolyCop was super quick and got in at a pretty good price of 8.5 cents, while the next one, which was Okbet, got in at 9 cents, and then TradeFox at 10 cents. So that just goes to show how important speed is, because PolyCop got like over 20% more tokens for the same price compared to TradeFox in this instance. Now PolyGun has still not come through, so I'm not entirely sure what's happening with that. It doesn't seem like the trade went through at all. I'm not entirely sure why, because the bot should be set up. It says it's active, 100% copy for the correct wallet. You have the wallet, you have no limits, so not sure why that didn't go through. But anyway, Okbet, PolyCop and TradeFox did go through, and PolyCop was the clear winner for this trade. Now let's just go ahead and sell those same shares that we just bought. There we go, transaction has been made. Let's keep an eye on the activity. Again, PolyCop literally got in at the same exact second, and then it took another 5 seconds for Okbet, and like 6-7 seconds for TradeFox. So still pretty quick, but these cannot compare to PolyCop at the moment from what I can see. So far the clear winner is PolyCop, and it seems like this is actually true, that they have achieved 0 block, 0 second latency execution. But let's put that to the test for a couple more markets just to make sure. If we go to new and find a different market with some volume and liquidity, for example this one, I don't know what it is, but we're gonna make a bet. We're gonna buy a yes on February 13th. Let's do $7 for this one. Confirm the transaction, scroll down to the activity. There's my trade. There is PolyCop within 2-3 seconds. There's Okbet within like 6 seconds. In 8 seconds approximately, we have TradeFox. So again, there's not really any competition here. PolyCop seems to be absolutely dominant when it comes to the fastest executions, but let's go ahead and try to sell this trade as well. Confirm the transaction. Let's see what happens. There's the original trade. 2 seconds later, we have PolyCop. Then we have Okbet 4 seconds after that, and 2 seconds after that again, we have TradeFox. Still not sure what's happening with PolyGun. For some reason, it's not copying the trades that I set up. Don't know why that is, but obviously that doesn't look great for PolyGun. I might have done something wrong, but I don't think so. I did the exact same thing as these other bots, so not sure why that is. Now let's do one last trade just to make sure these results are correct. Let's bet on this one, which is basically the silver price at the end of June. We are going to say that it's going to be above $120. Let's do $15 for this one. Let's bet yes. You have a slippage warning, but that's fine. Confirm the order. Let's scroll down again. And again, PolyCop literally came in at the same exact second as our original purchase and pretty much the same price, or very, very close to it anyway. Okbet came in 8 seconds later, and around 14 seconds later came TradeFox. So I haven't done any speed test like this in a month or two, so I wanted to do an updated one to see where all of these bots are at. But it seems like there's not really any competition, because after this huge upgrade from PolyCop, they're basically able to get in at the same exact second as the wallet that you are copying. So it seems like by far the best copy trading bot for Polymarket right now is PolyCop. I have been using PolyCop for a long time and I have been very happy with them, but I didn't really expect them to dominate it this much. Now, if you want to check out PolyCop or any of these other bots that I featured in this video, I will link them all down below and you can get some less fees when using that link. But these seemed to be the most popular and the best copy trading bots. But if you have any other bots that I didn't feature that you think might be just as good as PolyCop, let me know down below and I might have to put that to the test in the future. Now, this was obviously for Polymarket. If you would like me to make a similar copy trading speed test for Kalshi, do let me know down below in the comment section. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Like and subscribe if you found any value in the video. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.